Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin and this is Parlez Pals. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be tackling essential clothing words you need in French. We're going to go through everything in clean, simple groups from tops to bottoms to shoes to accessories and more. And hopefully by the end of it you'll be able to describe exactly what you're wearing en français without hesitation. Let's get right into it. Starting with basic clothing items. Une chemise, un t-shirt, un pantalon, un short, une jupe, une robe, une veste, un manteau, un pull, un gilet, un jean, un haut, une blouse. I'm going to go over those one more time, a little bit faster, how I would naturally say them. Une chemise, un t-shirt, un pantalon, un short, une jupe, une robe, une veste, un manteau, un pull, un gilet, un jean, un haut, une blouse. Which one of these do you wear the most? Tell me in French in the comments, even if it's simple. Now, let's get more specific with coats. You have a few different options you can say. Un manteau d'hiver, un manteau d'été, un anorak, un imperméable. Let's go over those one more time, but a little bit faster. Un manteau d'hiver, un manteau d'été, un anorak, un imperméable. Are you team cold weather or warm weather? Comment hiver or été, just one word. Here are some comfy clothing. Des chaussettes, un pyjama, un peignoir, des pantoufles, un survêtement. One more time. Des chaussettes, un pyjama, un peignoir, des pantoufles, un survêtement. So what's your favourite cozy item at home? Tell me in French using mon ou ma. Let's do formal clothing next. Un tailleur, un costume, une cravate, un nœud papillon. Un tailleur, un costume, une cravate, un nœud papillon. Which would you prefer to wear to a wedding? Un costume ou un tailleur? Shoes and footwear now. Des chaussures, des sandales, des baskets, des bottes. Des chaussures, des sandales, des baskets, des bottes. If you could only bring one pair on holiday, which would you choose? Let me know. Now we have quite a long list for this one. These are all accessories. Une ceinture, une écharpe, un chapeau, une casquette, des gants, des lunettes de soleil, un sac à main, un sac à dos, une montre, un collier, des boucles d'oreilles, une bague, une ceinture, une écharpe, un chapeau, une casquette, des gants, des lunettes de soleil, un sac à main, un sac à dos, une montre, un collier, des boucles d'oreilles, une bague. What's your everyday accessory? Bonus points if you write it fully in French. Now we've covered every essential clothing word. I've probably missed a few out, but that's only natural. If you have spotted which ones I've missed out, let me know down in the comments. In the comments, if you want a challenge, let me know what you're wearing right now in French. And if you know someone learning French, share this video with them. You'll help them and you'll help the channel grow too. We've already reached 270 subscribers. Thank you so much everyone et à très bientôt.